How do we ignore the most beautiful thing in the world, which is called love, and become so ugly because of the hatred in our hearts? Acting love, but living in hatred. What is the need for more weapons daily, when these weapons are actually falling into the hands of wicked people who are using it to fight against nations for the benefit of individuals, instead of using it to protect the nation for the profit of all? Why do we create destruction and call it protection, when everyone on earth are humans? Who are we protecting ourselves from with these weapons of destruction? If we are actually so comfortable with our religion, our tribes, our political party, and all of these, why are we using it as a tool to fight others? And why are we fighting others to come and join us, if actually we are enjoying it? We don't have to force others. Others will come and join at will. If only we can be kind enough to ask ourselves this question: why am I on earth at this particular time? Why not years before or years after? Then you will understand that each and every one of us is set here on earth for a particular purpose. So find that purpose and fulfill that purpose. You add value to humanity and make the earth a better place for the next generation. Let's stand for what is right, so that we can stop the killing, the stealing, and the destruction of humanity here on earth. God bless you, and may the Holy One help us all. Thank you.